Today we're going to be installing the BMR lower rear control arms onto the 5.0, and they look a lot better, and they're made for high horsepower applications. We're in the garage today. I'm going to try to bang it out as quick as possible, show you somewhat of what I'm doing. Alright, starting already. First thing, jack the car up from, I'm gonna do it from the diff because I gotta get to the sides for the other stuff. And that's as far as I'm gonna put it. Support the axles with the jack stand. The jack stands to make sure that they're not gonna move, so they're good. I checked the one on that side. The reason you're doing this is because when you take the control arms off, the axle might shift, and that's gonna make it hard to get it back on. So, see, I ended up taking the wheel off because it's gonna be way easier with the wheel off. So first of all, there's a brake line here that you have to get off. So there's like a little retainer clip right here on the other side. Kind of hard to see. There's a retainer clip right there. I'm gonna slide that thing off. This is the retaining clip right here. That one right. I can't point to it. That one right there. You gotta slide that out first. So that's what I'm gonna do. Let me see if I can get some light on it as I do it. So that's out. So actually it comes out from the side right here, but then the retaining clips out, so you just push that out and then it's free now. So now you can take these off. These are two 18 millimeters, so here's the front, the other side is on obviously right there. So we're gonna get to that right now. The back one first. I need some WD-40. These things are on there tight. It's been a struggle to get this off. It's gonna be even worse on the other side probably. But now we got it somewhat open. We can now use this to finish it off the rest of the way. What is this? Let me spray this one now. Retaining clip goes in like that. Put the bulb back in. I'm gonna do the back. So, onto the back. That thing getting hot. No, not on the impact. What you do? Alright. Our money. This is what we resorted to, alright? This is just what we resorted to. It's really that one bolt. Bolts not coming out. That's it. I don't get it. What's up with these bolts?
Listen, these look like the Hutter's bolts, bro. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know.
These are bolts.
That's why I didn't want to get up all up in there. That's why you gotta zoom in. This shit is ridiculous.
Still Mustang problems.
Oh, yeah, we got it out. Almost.
You know what it is?
Finally done.
Imagine as soon as that drone touched the ground.
Don't say that. Not in reverse. He said on the chopstick. He said only a little bit.
Oh, yeah, not.
Got everything buttoned up. I'm not gonna do any pulls or anything. I'm gonna wait till tomorrow. Just make sure everything drives right on the car. Everything's cool. before I do anything. So it's the next day. It's a little dark out here. I don't know how much time I actually have to do a dig or not. Launch the car. Might just have to do like a first gear pull or something. At least for this one. It didn't make it better. It might be because the tires is cold. Let me do a second gear. Second gear might be bad. So, it gotta be the tires. The tires are cool. That's the only thing I can think. Because these are solid. The control arms are solid. Be close. So this would be like a 40 roll. A little messed up. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share for more, browse the channel, and most importantly, have a nice night.